Find the number of permutations that can be made from the letters of the word omega if the vowels occupy odd places. Now, this is a simple question based on permutations, that is arrangements. We can easily solve it by the dash concept. Now, in omega, there are 5 alphabets. So, therefore, we'll create 5 dashes over here. Now, we want the vowels to occupy odd places. So, the odd places are 1, 3, and 5. So there are odd places and there are 3 vowels as well. O, E, and A. So 3 vowels, 3 places. Okay. So over here, we can arrange any of the 3 vowels. So O, E, A. All 3 are available for the first position. Let's assume that O we have placed over here. So therefore, in the third place, there are 2 vowels available, E and A. So we'll put 2 over here. Let's assume that we put E over there. So for the last position, that is fifth position, only A is available. That is, only one vowel is available. Now there are 2 positions left. So 2 consonants are there and 2 places are there as well. Okay. So here there are 2 consonants available, M and G. Let's assume M, we arrange it over here. Okay. So M we arrange it. So available are 2. So in the fourth place, only G is available. So we'll write down 1 over here. And now we can multiply this. So 3 into 2 into 2 into 1 into 1. So we get the answer as 12. So the answer is option A, 12 ways.